Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama.
Måste ju väva kul. Vad är det? Hej! Hej! Die Community da ist ein Wahnsinn bei der. Schau mal. Das liegt ihm darum, ne?
No, this is good. Did you hear it? All the big waves.
Hi! Look, St. Herman. Look, there's so much. Even backpack. You fill backpack from here, please. Darling, it's exactly as before.
Yeah.
Oh! What?
Nice, huh?
Passt. Du kannst da Bilder machen, gell? Nicht nur Video. Gehst du oben? Ich nicht. Aber ich mache Aufnahmen von dir. There's a path going down, all the way. Yes. Peter will try.
If I could, I'll make me feel less. Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different.
Gehst du oben?
Wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad. And I don't need to tell you that. You know I always want you back. I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Show you everything.
Ay pa! I did!
She did. Slowly.
I'm tired. Ay! What?
Yeah, stay beside the ropes to the board. Hey, yes.
Oh my God. Grabe. Ah, see? Ah, thanks. You're very
Yes,
right.
again. The castle for Really?
Cove? Ah, yeah, there's a cove.
Nice, huh?
Oo. Ah, hindi. Hindi siya cove. Passes para doon. Sa passes. Bagbag. Bagbag Beach.
Wow.
Try natin pumunta dito sa passage na are.
What they call this? The Aswan?
Let's see. No snakes. Let us see.
Yeah, you can step in the water, no problem.
No aswang here. Hey. If I wear my water shoes now, it's easy.
No snake.
Yeah.
Anaconda. Here, crab.
Oh, sige. Pahirapan.
Crawling the same.
Snake.
yeah.
Crabs lang. We're going. We're going to Bikini Bottom. Yay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice, huh? The sound inside. Oh.
Ah, saw you. Yeah. Yeah, it's easy if I wear my water shoes.
Yeah,
Sayang.
but the waves, hey, sometimes be careful, huh? Slippery, huh?
I like to go there. Really. We'll try.
Maybe later when it's high tide, you cannot go there anymore.
Ebidensya. Woo! Ooh, nice. Ha.
You step in already?
Oh, it's a Patrick Star, Patin Plak. Many. Look of this shale, but it's the small one, huh? Huh? Okay. Huh? This is the one what is the giant shale. Gut auf die. Jetzt den Hirnsteig, ist jetzt wieder auf. Mein Lieber. Ja. Ja, da steht die Drohne. Pilot steuert die Drohne sicher an den Boden.
So, ayun yung Little Batanes. Bagbag Beach doon. Try ko namang pumunta dito. Ito yung way. Pupuntahan ko yan. Try. Oh. Ah, sige, kaya. Nay. Ah. Sige, magpakabayani tayo since we are adventurous. So, let's see. So, ayan. Andito ako sa pinaka baba ng some views over here. Ah! Nagagalit yung mga waves. Ah! I think ito yung... Oh, kita nyo yun? Ayun na nga. Saan ba talaga tayo pupunta? Diyan. So, tignan naman natin yung pool dito. Oh my God! So, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko ba pumunta dyan. Kaya naman, kaso hindi kaya ng camera ko. Baka madali ko siya.
Side by side, sweet all the colors. Some love.
Sige, try pa natin.
Folded on the laundry in all the colors. Some love. stuff like that.
Oh, nakarating na nga ako sa tuktok. Ayan, so we're on the top of the hill. Like, nakakatakot. Scary talaga, promise. Oh my God! So baka hinahanap na ako ng mga kasama.